Stop heating or cooling an empty house and throwing your hard-earned money out the window. Every single month, you are paying a massive comfort tax to your utility company because your old-school thermostat is working against you. You are literally paying to keep your sofa at 72 degrees while you are at work. This one simple tech upgrade can put hundreds of dollars back in your wallet every year without you lifting a finger. In this video, we are mastering the art of the smart thermostat to crush those energy bills. Welcome back to Smart Life, where we help you live better for less. First, you need to use the geofencing feature immediately. Most people just set a schedule and forget it, but schedules change. Geofencing uses your phone's location to know exactly when you leave the house and when you are heading back. Your thermostat will automatically drift into eco mode the moment you pull out of the driveway. It cools the house back down just as you turn onto your street. You save money all day without ever feeling the heat. Second, let the AI take the wheel with learning mode. If you have a Nest or an Ecobee, stop messing with the dial. For the first week, just adjust it manually when you feel uncomfortable. The device learns your personal habits and the thermal profile of your home. It calculates exactly how long it takes to change the temperature. This prevents your AC from short cycling, which is the most expensive way to run your system. Efficiency is the key to a lower bill. Third, take advantage of time of use settings. Many energy companies in the US charge more for electricity during peak afternoon hours. You can program your smart thermostat to pre-cool or preheat your home 20 minutes before those high-rate hours kick in. Your house stays comfortable using the cheaper electricity. Then, the system rests during the expensive window. It is an invisible way to beat the utility companies at their own game. Fourth, check for demand response programs. Most major brands like Google and Honeywell partner with local power companies. They will actually pay you to install the device or give you a yearly credit on your bill. In exchange, they might slightly adjust your temp by 1 or 2 degrees during extreme heat waves. You usually won't even notice the difference, but you will definitely notice the $50 credit on your statement. Here's a bonus trick that most people overlook. Check your utility provider's website for an online marketplace. Many companies like Con Ed or PG&E sell top-tier smart thermostats for almost nothing. I have seen $100 devices listed for $10 because the energy company wants you to be more efficient. Never pay full price at a big box store until you check your bill for a rebate. Stop letting your HVAC system drain your savings account. Hit the like button if you want more ways to automate your home for profit. Subscribe to Smart Life for more practical tips to master your bills. Comment below and let me know what temperature you keep your house at. I will see you in the next one.